A state-level open symposium competition was organized by Apunba Pakim Mahiroi Sinpanglup, aims at Kanglei Mine Theatre Repertory in Langtabao today. The symposium was held on a topic, ramification of delimitation exercise in Manipur, and about 40 students from various schools in the state took part in the competition. Speaking in this regard, Secretary General of AIMS Oinam Amarjit said Manipur has witnessed a rise in population since the last census in 2011. Manipur faced unnatural growth of population in its 3 districts and 9 subdivisions as per 2001 census, and matter is still yet to be resolved. But it is unfortunate for Center to announce a decision to carry out new census in 2027, followed by the delimitation exercise, as Manipur has various outstanding issues concerning influx of illegal immigrants. Speaking further, Oinam Amarjit asserted that if census and delimitation exercise are allowed to proceed before proper identification of illegal immigrants, it will have lasting impact on seat arrangements of Legislative Assembly and also create a huge threat on cultural identity of indigenous communities in the state and also on demography and resource distribution.
Manipur gumba international border oiba aduga illegal immigrants ki issue asukana chauna laingai cherak asida Ministry of Home Affairs na athuba matamda census asi tawani amadi delimitation ki process losingadabani haina hairapwa si yamna laibak thibani haina apunbai reipa ki mairo simpanglu am na logjai maramdi karigumba aikhoina illegal immigrants sing asi aikhoina khanduk hogdaba taragadi karigumba census si tawsingadi makoi India gi citizen Manipur gi citizen ama oikragani aduga census asi aranba mungda tawragadi aikoi indigenous people jing gi right aduga magi cultural identity amade resource ta yamna achauba amangba ama oirakani amadi achauba safu ama lakani haibasi akoi aims na lawjaba loinana ngasigi state level open symposium competition asina mahiroi khunai amadi akoi gi Manipur da leba tonga tongan ba praja sing section singda masigi mangjaba amadi tongjaba adu khangnabagi damakta symposium competition asi sinjabani.